Every mystery begins with something that doesn't make sense. Today, our investigation starts with this: a tiny furniture screw. Not gold, not rare, just a small piece of metal that most people would never notice. But somehow, when it disappears, perfectly normal people start searching everywhere, under sofas, behind furniture, on the floor, looking for something worth almost nothing. So why? Why does this tiny screw suddenly matter? Let's open the case. Case file. Number 1, the mystery of the tiny screw. Every investigation begins with evidence. So let's go back to where the story starts. A cardboard box. A flat-pack furniture box arrives at your home. You bring it inside. Open it. And there it is. Everything needed to build something new. Wooden panels, small bags of parts, a pile of screws, and an instruction manual. You look at the manual looks back. You smile. "I've got this." The manual disagrees. Because like many people, you decide to trust your confidence first. How difficult can it be? Wood, screws, a screwdriver. Simple, right? 5 minutes later, the instruction manual becomes the most important document in the house. Funny how quickly confidence changes. You finally start following the instructions. Piece by piece, the confusion begins to disappear. Until you notice something. One board is backwards. You stare at it. It stares back. Nobody is happy. So everything comes apart. Again. And just when you think things cannot get worse, a tiny screw slips from your hand. It bounces. Once, twice, then rolls. Straight under the sofa. You freeze. Silence. Your relaxing afternoon has officially become a rescue mission. After searching, reaching, and questioning your life choices, you find it. You hold it up like a treasure, which is strange because a few minutes ago, you didn't even care about it. So, what changed? That's the question we need to solve. For now, the table is still waiting, and the real story is just beginning. The work continues. But something has changed. At first, you were just trying to build a table. Now, you are determined to finish it. Every mistake teaches you something. Every problem has a solution. And slowly, the pile of wooden pieces starts becoming something real. Until finally, there is only one screw left. The tiny screw that started this entire investigation. You place it carefully. One final turn. Done. You step back and you look at it. Not because it is the most beautiful table in the world. It isn't. But because you made it. A few minutes later, a cup of coffee appears. Then a plant. Then some books. Yesterday, it was just a box. Today, it belongs in your home. But now, the investigation gets interesting. Imagine someone offers you a replacement. Same table, same color, same quality, brand new. Would you accept? Maybe. But you would probably think about it. And that is strange, because logically, nothing has changed. The wood is the same. The design is the same. So why does this one feel different? The answer is not in the table. It's in you. Your brain remembers the journey. Opening the box, the first mistake, the frustration, the missing screw, the moment you finally found it, and the feeling of finishing something difficult. Those moments became part of the object. Not because the table changed, but because you did. Psychologists discovered this strange pattern. They call it the IKEA effect. We often value things more when we put our own time and effort into creating them. The object did not become more valuable. The story behind it did. And that means the tiny screw was never the mystery. It was only the first clue. Because everywhere around you, ordinary objects are hiding extraordinary stories. A desk, a notebook, a favorite mug. Things that may look simple, but carry memories nobody else can see. Case file number 1. Solved. But wait, there is another file. Case file number 2. Looks like another mystery is waiting. Every object has a story, and Thinko will find it